Good morning, everybody. Patty Ann here. Hang on, I gotta get a sip of my coffee. I hope you have your coffee or tea and you're ready to sit down and get started on another tutorial with me. This one I'm doing for Dee and anyone else. Dee had gone to lovesvg.com and she found a SVG that she really liked and she downloaded it onto her phone. I'm hoping it's an iPhone, Dee, because that's the only one that I'm familiar with. So anyway, I went to lovesvg.com and I found a cute SVG file that I thought I'd make. You mocha me crazy. Maybe I'd put this on a mug or something like that. We'll see. Anyway, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download it on a phone, and it would be the same way on your laptop or your iPad. So you just start coming down here to where it says download the zip file. So I'm going to click on that, and I have an app called iZip on my phone and on my iPad. I think it's a free app that I got, and that's what I use. So I'm going to open this in iZip, and it always comes up, wants to know if I like iZip and would I like to extract all files. Yes, I would. So I'll say okay, and there they are in here, and I can just click on this to open it. Now there are 4 different kind of files you'll notice that come in here. There's an SVG at the top, the next one down is the PNG, then there's an EPS and a DXF. The one that we want for Cricut Design Space is the SVG. That one right there. So it's on my phone. How am I going to get this into my Cricut Design Space? Okay, I'll show you. So what you need to do is you need to open Cricut Design Space. And I'm going to go to New Project. And I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to browse my files. These are the files that are on my phone here. Browse. But the one I just did was something about Valentine's Day. Was it Valentine's Day? It must be this. Maybe? Let's see. Oh, here it is. I bet. Maybe. Oh yeah. You mocha me crazy. So you remember the one I wanted was the SVG file. Now I really can't tell on my phone the way they are right here which one's the SVG file. I know the one where I can see the picture. That's the PNG. That's not the one I want. I want the one that has like 2 little pieces of paper or 2 things. I don't know what those are supposed to represent, but these 2 things right here. And I'm gonna open those. And there it is, and I'm going to just type in a name for it. I'll just call it Mocha. And done. And here are my uploaded images. Okay, here we are in Cricut Design Space. And I've come up here and I went to New. And then I went to Upload. And notice what is here. Even though I did it on my phone, the image we want, I uploaded it on my phone. It's right here in Cricut Design Space for us. Click on it, and I'm going to come over here to Insert. And there it is, ready for me to manipulate, ready for me to cut, ready for me to make it. So I would just continue on, and I think this would be so cute. Obviously, I'd have to resize it for my mug, but anyway. So Dee, I hope this helps. Let me refresh your memory here. On your iPhone, you will go to Upload, Browse Files, and then you will look for the file that you downloaded and you have already unzipped with iZip. Let's just pretend like I just did this one called Valentine's Day. Notice again there are 4 files that come in here. We know the one that looks like 2 papers or whatever that is, 2 sheets of paper is the one we want. So I'll click on that one. And there it is. I'll name it Valde, just for fun. Say done. So now that that's been uploaded on my phone, if I go back again to my computer, my laptop or my desktop computer, it will be there as well. Okay, and for those of you who have joined me in this little tutorial, I appreciate your feedback both on YouTube and in our Facebook group. Please join our Facebook group. There's a link below this for it. I'll also have a link to the Love SVG site below, and I'll have my affiliate links as well. I sure appreciate all of you who have been using them. It really helps me to be able to get ink for my printer so that I can print out the samples that I'm doing for you and get cardstock or whatever I need so that I can cut out samples and show you. So again, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Love you guys. Bye-bye.